Oh, ayan. 10:30 na ng gabi. At ito, hindi pa kami tulog. Kain na naman. 10:30 na ng gabi. Ayan, Mickey. Mickey naman ngayon. Kanina kumain kami ng pinapaitan. Ngayon, Mickey naman. Oh my God. Okay, feeding program.
Why is it red? Why was it red?
Okay, who wants some Mickey?
Did you even fart on me?
Okay, you can come back if you want.
Kami na lang ang maingay dito. Can we start whispering now?
Stop whispering, yeah.
Guys, stop whispering.
Let's start whispering.
I had to drop my flashlight.
Sige.
Stop!
Sabi lang mga bautan yung
Matagdak. Kakaasin ni Archie.
Keep touching me. I thought it was too...
Ba't kakain ka rin, Andre? O kumain ka rin? Ng ano?
Can we whisper now? We act like
Yes.
Kayasin talaga tayo dito bukas ang maaga.
Iibaban na yung pamilya natin dito.
Days sa mi.
Ala, Nemres. Para...
Kape. Sana love stories.
Yeah, I have a lot of scary stories. Once upon a time,
Nagasokpat.
Ang dilim-dilim dito, ang dilim-dilim. Kami yung pinakamaingay dito sa gitna ng bundok.
Last time okay lang tayo doon. Kasi may
Para hindi tayo atakihin ng...
Bear, yeah.